Hey, it's Frank, the Greenwich contractor. Another hot one today. It's 98 degrees, but don't worry, I'm wearing 2 shirts. I'm ready to go. This is an interesting job for a number of reasons. For one, we started digging and we found very sandy soil. That's good for water infiltration. However, the reason why we're here is the customer's experiencing a lot of surface runoff and pooling around the house. That's been a big problem for them. The backyard is completely wet, and so we are correcting that. The other thing that makes this job interesting is normally you see us putting stormwater systems in. We're using infiltrators, we're sending the water underground to chambers. We're not doing that here. They didn't want to incur the cost of a big gallery of Coltex, so what we're doing is sending the water down to the edge of the property to a level spreader underground to dissipate and spread that water along the property line underground. It is effective, it will work. It's not as effective as an infiltrator, but it's an effective solution. So what we're doing is picking up all the drains from the back of the house, sending around to the front. We have natural grade in our favor, that's helpful. The yard pitches down to the front corner. That's where our level spreader is going to be. And the complicated part of this project, everything else has been relatively smooth other than some irrigation lines, but the complication here on this job is that rear patio. And we're picking up a sump pump discharge and 2 downspouts behind the patio. We had to come underneath the patio to achieve it. And the good news is, and we ferreted this out during the inspection process and quotation process, is that the stones were not set and on mortar and the joints weren't pointed. That being said, we were able to lift the stones up relatively easy. They were just laid in stone dust, but then we had to dig. You could see our pipe carrying under the patio. We're obviously gonna have to reset all those stones when we're done. We're taking a 4-inch pipe and then expanding up to a 6-inch pipe, and then we're taking our 6-inch pipe down and around. This is going to be a very effective system. In 98-degree heat, it's been a bear on the guys, but they're bearing it. This is day 2. We should be done tomorrow. We have the machine in the front yard, we're hand digging in the backyard, and everything will come together later today as all the pipe gets glued and set in place.